Show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works. It's super insane, guys. So if you do want to get, hey guys, so today I'll show you a Patreon hack so you can view anyone's Patreon for free. So this is the mod right here, but as you can see, one of the options is unlocked for free with dev mode. So I'm going to activate this and then I'll get access for free. So as you can see, it worked, and now I can see the whole post. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's super cool. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to zoomods.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just type Patreon, and then see Patreon mod right here. So before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So you just got to download 2 apps, follow instructions. It's 100% for free. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. So yeah, you can see right here it is loading right now. So all we got to do is download like 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free, guys, from official app store. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files. So you just want to download 2 of these. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. Same with Underdog. So you just want to make sure you download 2 of the apps, and then you should have Patreon mod on your device. You'll be able to view all the posts for free. When you go to buy them, you can see the pay with developer mode option. So that's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But if you guys are poor, can't afford Patreon, I totally understand. And this is way better than paying. So yeah, there's a video to watch if you're confused, but this is super cool, guys. So if you do need to see people's Patreon without paying, this is how to do it. So definitely go and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is awesome. And it's totally working, so you can enjoy it right away. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, get the word out, and yeah, peace out, bro. This is so very nice for everyone to enjoy, bro.